Understanding Returning Series, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we'll be delving into a phrase that's common in the entertainment world: returning series. This term might sound straightforward, but it has specific connotations in the context of television and streaming platforms. Let's break it down together, so you can confidently use and understand this phrase in your conversations. A returning series refers to a television show or online series that is coming back for another season or installment after a period of hiatus. This term indicates that the series was successful enough to be renewed and that its storyline is continuing. It's a sign that viewers can look forward to more episodes and that the narrative is not yet concluded. Understanding the term returning series is crucial for several reasons. 1. Cultural relevance. Television series are a significant part of global culture. Knowing terms like this helps you connect with others who enjoy the same shows. 2. Conversations. It enables you to participate in discussions about popular media, share your opinions, and understand what others are talking about. 3. Expectations. Knowing that a series is returning sets expectations for new content, story developments, and character arcs. To fully grasp the term, let's see it in action. Here are a few example sentences. I just heard that my favorite show is a returning series next year. I can't wait to see the new episodes. The network announced its list of returning series, and I'm excited to see that several of my favorites are on it. As a returning series, the show has to maintain high standards to keep its audience engaged. And that's a wrap on the term returning series. We hope this video has illuminated this common but significant phrase in the entertainment world. Remember, understanding such terms enriches your language skills and keeps you connected with popular culture. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in our future videos.